Welcome to this new video. Today we will test a new AI website builder or app builder, and generally they do both. So we will see if orchids.app, which maybe will replace Lovable or not, is total BS or here to steal your money, or if it's a really good SaaS. So in the previous video and here on LinkedIn, as you see, I made a post and I talked about it in detail in the last video I built. I talk about AI builders. So basically, V0, Lovable, and Bolt, this is totally useless. So don't lose your time with those tools. Maybe it is good to prototype something that doesn't work, okay? And maybe if you are a developer with backend extensive knowledge, you will build something faster. I'm not even talking about something like well coded and stuff like that. I want, when I use an AI website builder, I want it to be ready to launch. If I build a landing page, if I build a website, I want all my pages, I want all my forms, I want to connect my CMS. I want the basic stuff ready for my website to be launched. Okay, I don't want to lose time refactoring, like reprompting, like indefinitely, and at the end taking 10 times more time that it should be. Okay, AI is here to make me things simpler, okay, faster, not just creating something that is ugly and unusable. Okay, so if you have extensive knowledge, maybe you will end with something correct. But I think here people using AI app builders or website builders, they don't expect, they are not people with extensive development knowledge. This is just normal people, designers or entrepreneurs, all kind of people that have no development or no advanced development knowledge and want something efficient. Okay. And for now, Lovable, V0, and Bold, this is good for trash, okay? That's it. This is just hype. They take your money, and this is, for now, tools that are not built, I think, by people doing real projects, okay, that have launched like 3, 4, 5 websites from A to Z, from design to development to launch, integrating videos, maybe an e-shop inside or a CMS, and they don't know the full scope of what is needed to have something that is professional and scalable and working. Okay, I have just one app, and I will maybe make a quick video about it, and I will show you this app at the end of the video also, but quickly. So here we will see if this new one answer what we are looking for. Okay, so I want to prompt, I want to have something usable, and I want something that I can launch right away. Okay, that's like a classic website builder do it. Okay, you build your website like with Webflow, with Framer, with Web Studio, but it's a bit more complex with Web Studio, but with Versoli that I'm trying right now, with Wix, with Squarespace, and all of the others. You build your website, you click a button, you launch your website, it's ready. You have your CMS, you have everything. Okay, any AI builders right now do that properly and at speed and scalable and clean. It doesn't exist for now. So, orchids.app. So, my favorite prompt, um, build a website. And today, because I will challenge orchids.app because they want to focus on website that looks beautiful and stuff. If we are here, we see they focus on this, but beautiful. I don't give uh, I'm a designer. I have taste. I want things to be looking good, but the functionality is more important at the end. So is it really beautiful? So build a website, build a marketing award winning. Does Can he understand this? If he doesn't understand when I ask an award-winning website style, this is completely a mess because in every designer and in the language of the IT, you know what is an award-winning website. Okay, you know the website that is this one. You know this website. Okay, so you know what is an award-winning website. This is a beautiful website. Most of the time unusable, but we like those websites. So build a marketing award-winning website for cloud computing, AI, SaaS. Okay, enter. So we will see together what it's doing. So I will not do like a 1 hour tutorial because honestly, like in few minutes, you know if it's good or not, if it's a copy paste of V0, Lovable, and Bold. I said those three because they are the biggest ones. They are literally the same three SaaS. Okay, the only a little bit better is V0 because of the design tab they have, but it's crap. But the idea is here for V0 at least. The other ones for now, it's absolutely crap. It's like Y Combinator invest in all the AI website builders they can, even if they do exactly the same thing, more or less. What is this? So remix this project in a new chat. Okay. So I think this is because of the context. Maybe there is like 200K token context, and then when you end the chat reach this limit, you have maybe to do a branching on GitHub, and then it will resume the chat, and then maybe doing that. I do that with a great tool that I'm using, trying, testing right now. So I think maybe this is that. Publish site. Okay, we have a publish site. So this is really interesting. Upgrade plan, of course. So we have the code and we have analytics. So already this is different from what I've seen until now. What I fear, and I looked at another video about orchids, is that the problem will be the same. You have to do everything with the chat. And one of the main problems of the AI website builders is that you ask the AI to change one color and it will change the animation you spent 2 hours to build. It will change a section and this and that. You never ask the AI to change something and it will change five things on your website, or sometimes it will just don't understand what you say and you lose like crazy amount of time. And so this month I'm testing like every type of workflow and stuff. As I am a webflow expert, I spent 6 years building on webflow and doing web designs and stuff like this. and I am obsessed by workflows and processes and stuff. And so right now I want to test new things because I abandoned Webflow for some reasons. And now I try other stuff and I want to explore the best workflow possible that give the results I want following my criteria with uh, easy building, scalable website, professional build and looking, and time saving build, accessibility. And this is really, really complex to find. Um, Webflow is really good for that, but it has problems that for now, for me, is disgusting with the years. But um, right now, we will see. Okay, it's done. It's done, but okay, it's done, but you missed a line. Is okay. This is not aligned. This is a problem. Four issues. They use Next.js. Okay. Okay. So I'm discovering the tool with you because most of people of the on the new tools will discover for the first time, and I have extensive experience with web builders, and so you can see how things can go wrong or good, and I can identify immediately things when it's hot, and see, and you will see also for you if it's good or not. Okay, so it's done. Please mask this. Okay, enterprise platform. So first, I have only one page, but I can understand this. So I think here I can navigate. I can navigate the pages. So for now, I have just the home page. So the hero is okay-ish, but you see that there is a problem. So it tries to do something, but it do it bad. I'm sorry, but you can't build a website with things that are not aligned. I don't know why. Here you can see there is a problem. So it tries to do stuff that, yeah, this is a problem. Okay. Okay, so this is very good, but again, I really like it. But the problem is that the devil is in the details. And I come on a website, like I prefer something more simpler, maybe like we can say simpler or uglier or whatever, but that is sleek and everything is well aligned and professional. And here it looks like a studio that don't give a shit of what you asked for, okay, and deliver this like incompetent freelancer that gives you a website with this kind of unfinished animations. So this looks good at first, but it's crap. It's crap. So the good, it's really different from the other three builders, AI builders. It tries something new, but it's very, very bad. Like what is this section? Because the problem here, I could give the copy to the AI completely, but here, uh, why too much interpretation? Why don't you give me room to put my own content if I don't precise the content, for example? Because okay, responsive. But how do you know this? I didn't talk about the technology I will use and stuff like that. Uh, so here, just to impress me, when I think the AIs should ask you questions like, okay, like for example, I put one prompt, a phrase, and the AI should tell, stop. I don't have good information. First, you will give me the copy. And to create the copy of the AI, maybe you will use another AI, or you will use our AI to create the copy and the structure of the website. So it should be like Reloom again. So they don't do it. So Reloom, I showed them. Maybe one day they give me something for making so much ad about them, but this is designers and developers that started with an agency. They built websites. They focused on webflow, so they understand the full scope of a website project. And so, yes, this is the project. I don't have the pro anymore here, but the first thing that Realm does. So this is not a website builder. They just don't just do the wireframes, the sitemap, and a part of the design, and then you have to export on a builder. But here, when you build something with just one sentence, the AI will start with the sitemap, and you will have all the pages and stuff like that. You can start to work from here, and then you have the wireframe the AI creates, and then you have the style guide, for example, to give style to the website. So here, this is a real professional workflow. This is how we build a website, okay? And so you have to give this for people that don't know how to build the website. You have to explain or to give the workflow of sitemap, wireframe, style guide, and then launch, because you have all the pages. And here you have to still do it before, but maybe the results will not be good because it tries to be designy, and honestly, this is crap. Okay, this effect, I did it on the website for a client, this effect. Okay, why not? Okay, okay, pricing. Okay, good, 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 good. And that's it. Refresh page, open in a new tab. I want to see the responsiveness of this. So to see the responsiveness, you can open it, inspect, and then you can check here. You have this. Okay, up here, I go here. iPhone 14 Pro Max, let's say. Okay. Well, at least AI always know how to do responsive stuff. That's okay-ish. If I click, yes, it stops. We don't need this on the mobile, but not sure. Okay, and this stuff. Okay, good. Okay, the responsive is good. So I can have the analytics, but I have no preview of the analytics. Okay. The code, what's used here? Backgrounds, then to grids. Okay, cards. So the components. Okay. We have the app. And so where do I add pages? Okay, so now create an about page. So here with the context of the website, it should keep the style and everything to create an about page. I want to navigate the pages because here I don't have a button to create a new page. And then I should be able to do it manually myself. I don't know why they persist to want the AI to make everything. Like it's so much time wasted. That's crazy. Like look at the time the AI made the first page already. Like because of how they think about it, like Reloom is 10 times, I'm not exaggerated, you can test it. It's free for one project, so you can test. It's 10 times faster than any AI website builder right now. With the 3 steps, okay? 10 times more for sure, okay? and you have multiple pages and wireframes and the content ready already. And the problem is that they don't think like Relum do, and Relum should really merge with Web Studio or do something, or do their own website builder. Oh wow, it's so long, so long. Source app about page.tsx source app. I didn't even check really the code of the page here. Let's see it together. Okay, main wrapper. Okay. Okay, then we have the sections. Relative. Okay. What are they using? Like their own framework, CSS framework, or maybe Tailwind? I don't know. Okay. SVG. Does it create its own SVGs and stuff? Okay. Created file, perfect. I've created a comprehensive about page for your cloud site. The page includes key section. Hero section, tac, tac, tac. Okay. So, okay. So first, I can't navigate the website. Sorry, guys, but there is a moment why I can't click here and access the page. I have the code. Okay. And if here I go to about, okay, I'm in the about. Okay. Thanks. But I should have a navigator. This is so basic. The guys didn't even look at Framer, don't look at Webflow, don't look at Web Studio. Don't. This is built by guys that, in my opinion, that never touch a website builder in their life. Like just put the basic elements of a website builder into your AI website builder. Like that's crazy that I have to write this. I have no navigator on the left, on the right, or here. And why go back and stuff? Like, no, I'm sorry. This is really, really bad, actually. Maybe this is impressive for people that are not in IT. Okay, maybe, but guys, this is unusable. This is absolutely unusable. And here, this is the exact same thing as the other builders. I will have to do everything with the chat. So they don't even take the good ideas, for example, at V0, where you can modify by clicking on the design here and have the boxes and, for example, change the text directly by clicking the element here. No, I will have to go into the code. I will have to go here, cards, first to understand what is their framework, page.tsx. Mhm. Yeah, I have to understand where they put the thing, about page, div, class name, relative. Oh, no, 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 no. From the frustration, yes, I'm frustrated a lot. I'm sorry, guys. That's absolutely unusable. Like the other ones. And but end of the test, you failed. Um, by the way, did it change? Uh, did it change? Pricing company. No, of course their AI is so stupid that it doesn't put the about page. Ah, okay. Oof. Thanks. Hmm. But the problem here is that I will have to do everything with here. So, okay, maybe this is good for some developers, but I think the good developers will just don't lose time navigating this. Can I do Control T? Control F, sorry. I can Control F, so that's good. But I will have all the time revolutionizing. No, I, I want Control F, okay. So I have this, okay. Four. Just to change, I have to go here, to go here, to go here, and then here change the text. Can I change the text? Save. Okay, let's go to the app. Refresh. Okay. And it doesn't refresh, but still here I changed it. I saved it actually. So, okay, maybe it's not, it didn't change. So it's not working. I have 4 issues already from the first prompt here. It's a React issues. Invalid DOM property stroke opacity. Okay. So this is unusable. Again, you'll tell I'm obsessed with Radium, but I'm sorry. When the tool is good, we have to tell. Just one prompt, I have everything. There is no bugs because they use components already built by humans. And the AI do what the AI is good at is assembling the components that already exist and write text into those components because the AI is really good at writing text. But of course, you can change the copy even here. I will do a review one day, but here look how fast it is and stuff. I copy paste into Figma. They have React components that I can copy paste or Webflow, etc., etc. I can even have the style guide here. Like they are far, far, far from being good here at this. I can publish your site on Verso. Verso, right now I try a full code development workflow with Verso, Sanity, and stuff like that. Publish site. So does it create a Verso instance with my account or with their own instance with multiple server inside the instance of Orchids? I would like to know. Building your app. Okay. Can you can you install Stripe payments? I want to test this because this is important for your project. Okay. So this is really good. React components for better integration. Okay. So this will go to site. Okay, Russell.app. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, payments, NPM and star. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Install package. Next step. Okay, set up in environment variables in your environment local file. I need to do it. Create for handling. I don't like this. The packages are now installed and ready to use. Okay, yes, we have to put the key. So if I go into the code, environment.local, I don't have a clue where it is. Because what I fear, I don't like that the AI told me that I have to do that. Um, or do I give the keys to the AI and the AI will do it? But why not? This is maybe promising. Create API routes for handling payments. Oh, okay. Hmm. Now I have to set up also implement. Okay, API route. No, he can do it. Apparently, he can do it. So I will do. Try to launch an app with that. How much is it for the plan? Okay, this is expensive. 10 deployed sites. Sites or apps? This is confusing, guys. You have to be clear on the copy. Priority support, website analytics, custom domains, code-based download. But what I don't like is that I have no GitHub connection. Hmm. No, this is not even branching with GitHub. Publish site, close editor. Yeah. So I feel it's yeah, maybe we have kind of it will maybe looks better. But I don't even know how much of the chat I will use to refactor and to change this, for example, to adapt to my copy and to what I want in the boxes and stuff. Maybe it will take forever and stuff like that. Like this is so clueless about it. And honestly, this entire section is crap and stuff. Uh, Webinars, why do I have this webinar stuff? Case studies, API documentation, pricing, features, security. What the heck? Like this is looks like really unfinished. They raise the money, now they throw this into your face, unfinished. And they will put months to make new stuff like Lovable, guys. It's months and months, and the guys didn't change anything on their app. The design is creepier than before on Lovable, for example, and the others the same. So they launched super fast, but to improve the thing and make something usable and professional, it just crap from the start, and they don't change anything. So here my intuition here is that it's total BS like the other stuff, and if they don't take the user experience and the real website and app workflows, uh, this is just one of many, and someone else will come with a new name, with a new stuff, copy paste what the others did, and that's it. So The other app that I want, I don't talk more about it here because honestly, it's crap at the end. Like they miss a lot of stuff. It's not even usable. You will spend a lot of token, a lot of money building your stuff, trying to do something. And no, sorry, I don't have GitHub stuff. I will show you something else here that I am trying. So tools, AI tools, blah 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Alors, sure, I can just do it. But can I have access to the homepage? Yes. Okay. So here, this is emergent, and emergent is good. So I will use the same prompt as here for you to uh, so here, emergent, it's for apps, okay? They don't say it's for website, it's for apps. Um, so I will go up. I can do that. So go mood tracker. So I'm testing it to release my process actually because I really like how they think about the product in emergent. Um, so emergent doesn't look good. It's really geeky. Like you see how they load stuff. Like sometimes like it's really nerd references. They have a big team actually on LinkedIn, and they think about usability really and how to launch your app. So first, it's twice cheaper. It's only $10, but you can build already just with the free credits they give you. You can test with a mini app. This is really efficient. I really like how the agent is making the stuff step by step that you can sort of see the thought, and he's verifying that everything is working. He's testing, and it works. When you integrate an API and stuff like that with it, it works almost all the time. Sometimes it can make an error, but it correct the error immediately. Just give him context, but it works with the APIs. It suggests the right APIs, the right everything. Okay. The Google Auth work well. I tried the YouTube API. It can explain to you your pricing, the pricing of the APIs and stuff like that. Um, so as all AIs, it takes time, but you can save the project to GitHub. You can fork it. So here, when you have 200K tokens, so when the chat is very long, you have a warning and it says, okay, you have to fork the chat. And so you will save it first, your project to GitHub. Then you will fork the project. It will resume the chat with everything. It will make a fork, and then you can continue with a new chat, and it has all the context, everything, all the APIs, the keys, and stuff like that. And it's really a perfect continuity of the previous chat. This is excellent. And also with a new chat, it's faster and it less tokens. So here also you can see you have on 50, but you can buy more credits. But for 10, you have 50 credits. You can do a lot already here. Okay, Claude Sonnet. Okay, VS Code URL. Maybe I shouldn't. Oh, I will have to hide this. Okay. So you have access to the VS Code link also. So this is really interesting. Open in browser. Uh, Password. Oh god. Okay, well, you see, it's interesting. The video is too long already, and so yeah. So you have this. This is all your project. I like the fact that there is tabs and the different conversations and stuff. Um, Analyzing your request. So it's still this. Okay. Sure. It creates the docs. You can, of course, add files here. You can see it's already working, and so it can use MongoDB for your backend. So it can use APIs and stuff like. They really understand what we need to build an app. You have access to your code. You can open a new tab and stuff like that. So here, what I like also is the AI is precise, and for now it doesn't change stuff that I didn't ask. When I asked something, it changed just what I asked. It can revise itself, correct itself. So here, if I want to change the color, I can do it with the code I have to open VS Code, but I can deploy also, and it will do everything like correctly. And really, this is really nice. So 50 credits, it's $10. So for $10 per month, and you have full deployment and everything. It's really, really promising. It's the most promising if you want to build prototypes or apps that works, because you can integrate Stripe and everything, and the AI does everything correctly, and it's working. Like my YouTube API and everything was working from the first time. This was really amazing. Well, here it's a bit fucked up. Is the with this, but we can do it. For me, it was working better, honestly, for the app that I was building, but all the time it works properly. I don't know what you want to do and stuff. Export, download JSON data. I didn't record any song. If I do that, maybe it will not work here, but if I open in a new tab, it should work. Um, or maybe because there is no backend and he expects. Mood recorded successfully. Okay, tac tac. Okay, download JSON and it works. So yeah, for now it's the best one, the most economic one, and I think the developers here understand what people need and want to do to integrate APIs and stuff, and that is working. This is really, really nice. So Orchids for now, it's a May like the other apps. Let's see into the future. It just released. So yeah, one-on-one credits. No, not much to see here. New project. Okay, my sites. Yeah, just beautiful crap. And don't be fooled by ASA, those previous guys, because if you do it, if I go here, for example, nothing works. Okay, this is just the first prompt, and the website is crap. Nobody wants a website like this. I'm sorry. Clay and Kill. Is it working? No, there is no other page. It's just one prompt stuff. You can do it maybe with a lot of chat or whatever. I don't know what. Uh, Honestly, who wants a map like this with button like this? No, I'm sorry, wait, no. And after that, you have to connect the CMS. Where is the CMS? How do you manage the CMS? All the same questions again and again. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That was the review of for kids. If you like these no BS reviews, subscribe, like. On the previous video, I did reviews of the main AI builders and what I'm building right now. See you and have a nice day. Bye bye.